How to pair your garage door opener on a 2021 Hyundai Palisade. To pair your garage door opener on the 2021 Hyundai Palisade, you're going to want to have your garage door opener as well as your vehicle parked outside of the garage. You want to have a ladder or step stool in the garage underneath your garage door motor unit. The next step is to get into your Hyundai Palisade. And you want to go ahead and turn the vehicle on. And the pro tip here is to go ahead and close your garage door at this point. While that's closing, you've got your 3 home link buttons here. First, we want to clear those out by pushing the 2 outside buttons and holding. Right now it's got a solid light, and after about 20 to 30 seconds it should start flashing rapidly. Okay, so that has just cleared out any previously learned codes. Then you're going to want to take your garage door remote and decide which button you're going to program. So I'm going to use the garage door remote and hold it about 2 inches away from the home link button. I'm going to push those at the same time and hold. And right now it's got a flashing light, and then it goes to a rapid flashing light. That just means that it now has learned the remote signal. If this was a non-rolling code, that is all that you would have to do for that button to be programmed. But much more prevalent nowadays is a rolling code, which is more secure. So the next step is we're going to go inside of the garage, up the ladder, and push the learn button on the garage door motor unit. On the back of the garage door motor unit, there's going to be a learn button. It usually looks different from all the other buttons on there. In my case, it's this one here, but you may need to consult your garage door owner's manual to figure out which button it is. So I'm going to go ahead and push that button. I now have 30 seconds to climb back down and into the car to complete the programming. We're now going to push and hold the same button for a period of 2 seconds and release, then release, and then push and hold for 2 seconds, and push and hold for 2 seconds. And that should pair your garage door opener. I hope this quick video helped you pair your garage door opener to your Hyundai Palisade. Thank you for watching.